Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Lock Screen. Then tap on Screen Lock Type and pick one of those locking methods by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. Pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it, and over here enter my locking method. When you're ready, choose Next over here and repeat it. Then tap on Confirm. Now you can adjust notifications on your lock screen by tapping on one of those options or clicking on the switcher to disable them completely or enable. Now select Done and click Continue if you wish to back up your pattern or cancel. I will go with Cancel, so now when I click Home button, turn off my screen. Over here somewhere, okay, and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!